of this Goodwill located here in Lawrenceville. show you the items that caught my eye and made my cart. This skirt, this is from Steve Madden. I love this little cute, it almost looks upcycled, but it's such a cute little denim skirt that I absolutely love. So this is only $6.24. Now, I usually do not pick up economy brands, like brands from like Target or Walmart. Well, I'm definitely not picking up Target brands, but this is Wild Fable. I think this might be Target or Walmart, one of them. But this is a sequin top. It's Target. This is a sequin top, but it is lined. It is brand new with tags. I love the little tie right here in the front, giving it like a little keyhole opening. The sleeves are dramatic, and it's such a pretty blue that I couldn't help myself. It is a size 2X, and it is $6.24. $6.24. Now this jacket, I first saw this design on the back, and that is what caught my eye. I do like that it has a hood, but look at the sleeve with this leather laced up trim that kind of just hangs here at your wrist. Now this is a size small, so I know it's not my size. It looks small, but I do like it. It is $7.24. $7.24. Now another sequin piece is this lavender sequin skirt with the slit up the leg. This is from New York & Company. It is a size XXL, $6.24. I really love this one because the color, it's perfect for spring, summer, and it's a nice sequin piece. Another brand I won't usually pick up, I think this was Shein, right? Yeah, Shein Curve, but it's a 3XL, and I love all the different colors, and it's pleated. I think it's so fun. This is such a fun piece. $6.24. $6.24. Another sequin piece. This is from Anthropologie, size 2X. I love the little flutter here on the sleeve. Okay. And this is $6.24. This is another pretty like spring summer dress. The brand is Michelle McDowell. This is brand new with tags. Brand new with tags, size large, and it is $7.24. Or is it $6.24? $7.24. I did find some really cute shoes. These are to die for. Nice scrunched sequin boots. The brand is Bamboo, size 10, and they are only $6.99. These flats from the brand Donna, $5.99, and they're leather. Well, like that suede leather. I love the little bow in the front. And then the last item are these Azalea Wang heel, almost wedges. I love the bling, square-toed slides, and these were also $5.99. So those are the pieces that made my cart. I'm still gonna go through and really decide. You guys let me know in the comments which ones you loved, which ones I should put back, which ones I should keep. I would love to hear your opinion.